Hello everyone, welcome to Be10x Learning. Today we are going to see how with the help of ChatGPT we can merge two columns in an Excel sheet. Okay, because merging columns in Excel sheet is very easy. Okay, here this is the sample part. If you want to merge means really we can write a small formula and with that we can say that it has been merged. Okay, that is yeah, ordinary method or a traditional method anyone can do. Okay, but now today I am going to talk about from the developer point of view, from a software engineer or a techie. If you tell him to write a code that it has to be merged, means there will be lot of issues initially he may need to face, because what is the what the header we should take, and what format it has to be decided. Even if you look into the experienced people also, they will ask for a sample. Okay, any other programs, earlier programmers, have they conducted, or have they done this type of, have they did this type of work, like that they will check. So if they have a black copy of that code, that they will take and they will modify. Okay, immediately from the scratch it will be difficult for most of the people to do a code. Okay, they will take a sample, or they will search in the search engine like Google's or other search engines, and then they will get the code, and it will take lot of time to modify, because it will give lot of information which one to pick, what is the requirement, those things, challenges are there. Okay, so today we are, with the help of ChatGPT, we will not face those type of issues, because it is he can easily understand the need of the developer and the need of a person. Okay, so today this is the sample sheet, guys. Okay, which I am going to do the merging sample. This is the first name, this is the last name. Okay, and we have the names, like someone names are here, and the requirement is not just to merge in the same thing. Okay, the requirement is such that I want to merge in a new Excel sheet. Okay, so that is the challenge. Okay, so it has to, a program, what it has to do, it has to read, it has to open the file. Okay, and it has to search whether what are the contents are there, then it has to do the process, then it has to open another file, it has to create a new file, the new file has to be updated with these records, and it has to be closed. These are the process. Okay, in anywhere it will follow. So now let's go into ChatGPT. Okay, as I said, this is our ChatGPT. I'll be using Google Colab to write the Python code. And here is that directory where I have updated this the Excels which we have seen over here. Okay. Now let's go to the ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT 4. As I said again, advanced data analysis. But go over here. Now we are going to command. Okay. So here the name is like first name, last name. Okay. This is the sheet one. And the name of the sheet is drop down list. Okay. So we will see, merge the columns. We'll write name and last name on sheet. What is the sheet, guys? On sheet 2, right? In that thing, it is sheet 1. Okay, so sheet 1. On sheet 1. Otherwise, if you are not giving sheet 1 also or sheet 2 also, it will ask mistakenly. If you give sheet 3, right, it will give you the prompt. There are no sheet 3. There are only sheet 2 or sheet 1 is available. Can I pick that thing? It will ask confirmation. It is like a chatbot. Okay, like that it will ask the question. Okay, from sheet 1, from the drop down list. Okay, from the drop down. And what we should do, we need to that whatever the merged data, we need to add it to the new sheet, right? And add the data to a new sheet. Okay, so I am taking this part. Okay, it is here. Okay, since I opened, I'm closing it. Okay, drop down list. Let's see. Let's wait. It will take a little time, but it will definitely. Sometimes see whatever we ask, it may not exactly give the same information. We need to sometimes give yes or no type. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait. It is generating this 3 dots. Will tell us that it is generating. All right. Start by loading the Excel file to inspect its contents and structure. And then I will proceed with the merging on the first name and the last name from sheet 1. After that, I will add the merge data to the new sheet. Let's see. It's working. Finished work. So it has used the pandas. Okay. And so it is telling us that there is a sheet 1. Okay. Okay. Next, it is generating. It has loaded the file. Okay. As I said, it is nothing but opening the file and checking. And then it will do the process. And then only one sheet named sheet 1. Now I'll proceed with the reading on sheet with then merge the first name, last name columns. After that, I will add the merged data to new. Okay. Let's wait. Still, it is doing step by step. Sometimes it may prompt us, would you like to proceed? Suppose, for example, you have mistakenly given some other column names or some other file name. So at the time, it will wait and it will prompt you. Okay, so I have successfully merged. You can download the Excel sheet in the over here. Okay, so it is giving the Excel sheet part, the location. Okay, so if I put regenerate means again it will give, you can download and see. So now okay, now I am copying this code and I'm going to this part. Okay, I'm adding over here. Okay, as I said, we need to check the location, right? Where is this file is located? So I have given over here, this is my path. Okay, now let's execute. Yeah, it has given the sheet 1. Okay, that means we are right actually, because now otherwise it would have thrown some issues actually. Okay, so now I hope you guys like this part actually, whatever I'm doing, because really it will help you if you learn ChatGPT. So for that purpose only we are conducting a workshop. Okay, so if you want to know more about it and if you need to learn many things, join our workshop at a minimal price from the link given in the below description. Okay, you can see the link. If you click, it will take you to the workshop, and we have lot of information over there. Now, for this YouTube we have given very less information, but if you want to be a pro in ChatGPT or AI tools, not only in ChatGPT, there are a lot of AI tools are there, like Midjourney. You can excel and you can be a pro maker in everything, whatever you are doing. Okay, guys, so don't miss this chance. Okay, now let's go to the next part. Where are we? Yeah, okay. So now this is the next part. Okay, so we are copying this code. If you want to know the code, add that code in the chat GPT, it will tell you. Okay, because basics of Python should be record. As I said, it is reading the contents of the sheet 1 and merge the first name and last name. These are all the revision histories. Okay, so you will come to know. Okay, and it is adding that full name. So it has merged this one plus this one. It has merged, and then it is you with the with operation. It is doing. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, it has given. Okay, so this part has done actually. You can download the Excel sheet. I have merged the last name and added the merged data new sheet, merged names. So it has given merged names, right? Okay, name is equal to sheet name is equal to merged names. We will check it here. It is there or not. Else we should give the location. That's it. Nothing to worry. Let's start taking here because you should know because where it should write. Let's see. See, it does. Just hold on, guys. Okay. It has given all the merge names over here. Okay. In the sheet one. Okay. This is sheet two. So earlier the names were like first name, last name, Bill Gates, Sundar Pichai it was. So in this part itself, it has given. Okay. In the sheet itself with the merged names, it has written. So this is the advantage and this is the peculiarity of the chat GPT. Okay. So in case guys, for example, if you think that no, I need to write it in a new file. Okay, because it has written in the same input file which we have read. Okay, I'm giving you a challenge. I can make it actually. Now I can do it. Nothing. If I give another prompt over here, it will finish it actually. The part will be done. But I want you guys to execute. Okay, instead of that, write over here. Instead of writing in the same file, add it to the new file. If you can do that part with the prompt engineering, you will get the result. Okay, that's up to you. I'm giving you the challenge. Okay, I can do it, but this can make you strong. Okay, guys. So now you understand how it is executing the merged part with the help of ChatGPT. Again, I'm telling you here, the sheet one is there, first name, last name is here. Here is the merged names. That it means it has merged. Okay. So I didn't give the separate location over here because when I read it was sheet name, then I understood, okay, it has written in the same the Excel sheet which was used as an input. Okay, so that's what I didn't mention actually. So some things we should understand about the Python. So I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Okay, really, if you learn this type of prompt engineering and ChatGPT stuff, your work will be easy. Okay, so see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. So don't forget to click the link in the below description. Thank you, guys. Take care.